The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. In the Kupiansk direction, active actions by the units and artillery fire of the Zapad group of forces inflicted fire damage on the enemy manpower and military equipment close to Dvurechnaya, Timkovka in Kharkov region, and Novoselovskoye and Stelmakhovka in Lugansk People's Republic. Up to 80 Ukrainian servicemen, 3 armored fighting vehicles, and 1 D-20 howitzer were destroyed. In the Krasny Liman direction, Russian artillery and heavy flamethrower systems of the Center group of forces hit units of the armed forces of Ukraine close to Nevskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, Yampolovka and Grigorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. As many as 60 Ukrainian troops, 2 armored fighting vehicles, and D-20 and D-30 howitzers have been neutralized in this direction during the day. In the Donetsk direction, the Yug group of forces, aviation and artillery fire have eliminated up to 160 Ukrainian troops, 3 armored fighting vehicles, 4 motor vehicles, and 1 D-20 howitzer. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted fire damage on Ukrainian units close to Ugledar, Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic, and Preobrazhenka in Zaporozhye region. The enemy's losses amounted to more than 30 Ukrainian troops, 2 pickup trucks, as well as 1 D-30 howitzer. In the Kherson direction, the fire damage has neutralized over 40 Ukrainian troops, 3 motor vehicles, 2 Akatsiya self-propelled howitzers, and 1 US-made M777 artillery system during the day. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery of the Russian group of forces have engaged 95 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 107 areas during the day. In addition, 3 US-made AN-TPQ-37 counter-battery radar stations have been neutralized close to Shandrugolovo in Donetsk People's Republic, Orekhov in Zaporozhye region, and Belozerka in Kherson region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Su-25 airplane of the Ukrainian Air Force in an air-to-air operation near Nikanorovka in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense systems shot down 31 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Tokarevka in Kharkov region, Krasnorechenskoye, Chervonopopovka, Novovodinoye, Kremenная, Ploshchanka, Voyevodovka, Rubezhnoye, Baranikovka in Lugansk People's Republic, Zelony Gai, Urozhainoye, Blagodatnoye, Vladimirovka, Yevgenovka, Staromlinovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Ulyanovka, Pologi in Zaporozhye region, Novaya Zburyevka and Krynki in Kherson region. In addition, 3 HIMARS MLRS projectiles were intercepted. In total, 403 airplanes, 223 helicopters, 3,502 unmanned aerial vehicles, 414 air defense missile systems, 8,363 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,070 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,403 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,039 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Ukraine Defense Ministry in a statement said Russia lost 960 servicemen in a single day. In total, Kremlin lost 166,570 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,552 tanks, 6879 armored fighting vehicles, as well as 305 jet fighters and 290 helicopters. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky pleased to welcome to Kyiv Prime Minister of Japan Fumio Kishida. Japan is a truly powerful defender of the international order and a longtime friend of Ukraine, Zelensky said on March 21, 2023.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.